Okay, so we're going to take a look at the first warm-up question that you had, and I'm basically going to scream at you because this is the 15,000th time I've tried to record a video. My microphone is really messing up, so I'm really hoping that this will work out if I yell really loud. So we have three side lengths, A, B, and C. C is, of course, indicating the hypotenuse. A is the square root of 15, and B is the square root of 10. Okay, the reason that I chose these as the warm-up is because I really wanted you to recognize that when you square a square root, these are inverse operations. And so here, if I use Pythagorean theorem in order to solve this problem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, okay, when I substitute in the square root of 15 squared plus the square root of 10 squared equals c squared, I end up with inverse operations. So if I take the square root and then I square it, that's like if I have 15 and then I add 5 and then I take away 5, I end up with 15. The same thing happens when I take the square root and then I square. So if I take the square root of 15 but then I square it, I just end up with 15. Same thing over here. If I take the square root of 10 and then I square it, I just end up with 10. Okay, so 15 plus 10 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Well, it's plus or minus 5, but here we can't, a negative would not be the length, correct? And so our answer is 5 units. Our length for this hypotenuse of this triangle is 5 units.